The air hung heavy with despair. Daniel stared at his computer screen, his reflection a mirror of defeat. Numbers blurred before his eyes, each digit a painful reminder of his devastating losses. Thousands of dollars, hard-earned and painstakingly saved, were gone, vanished into the vast, unforgiving ocean of the Forex market. He had entered this world with dreams of quick riches, enticed by promises of easy money and a life of luxury. The reality, however, had proven to be a cruel and relentless teacher. Daniel's journey into Forex trading had begun like many others. He stumbled upon an online advertisement showcasing flashy cars and exotic vacations, all seemingly within reach through the power of Forex. The allure was intoxicating, promising financial freedom and an escape from the mundane. Armed with nothing but blind optimism and a handful of YouTube tutorials, he dove headfirst into trading, unaware of the treacherous currents that awaited him. Driven by a potent cocktail of greed and naivety, Daniel became a slave to his emotions. Every fleeting market fluctuation felt like a golden opportunity, every dip a chance to buy low and sell high. He chased after every trading signal, ignoring the importance of a well-defined strategy. His trading decisions were impulsive, fueled by gut feelings and a constant need for instant gratification. Losses were met with denial, then anger, then a desperate attempt to win back what was lost, a vicious cycle that only dug him deeper into the abyss. His trading account became a battleground of impulsive trades, each one a gamble against the cold, calculating logic of the market. He doubled down on losing positions, hoping for a miracle reversal that rarely came. His initial deposit dwindled rapidly, each loss a painful reminder of his recklessness. The weight of his mistakes pressed down on him, casting a long shadow over his once bright optimism. The dream of easy riches had morphed into a nightmare of financial ruin. The day Daniel decided to stop trading was the day he finally confronted the harsh reality of his situation. He realized that he was not a victim of the market but of his own impulsive actions. The flashy cars and exotic vacations he had dreamt of seemed like cruel jokes, mocking his naivety and shattered dreams. Shame and regret washed over him as he accepted the bitter truth. He had been gambling, not trading. But within this painful realization, a seed of hope began to sprout. For the first time since he began trading, Daniel decided to listen, not to the siren song of quick riches promised by self-proclaimed gurus, but to the quiet whispers of reason within himself. He began to consume educational content, not with the goal of finding the next holy grail trading strategy, but with a genuine thirst for knowledge. He immersed himself in books and articles written by experienced traders, devouring information on technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. He realized that success in Forex trading wasn't about predicting the future, but about understanding probabilities, managing risk, and most importantly, mastering himself. As Daniel delved deeper into the world of Forex trading, he discovered the power of trend following. He learned to identify the prevailing direction of the market and align his trades accordingly, riding the waves of momentum instead of fighting against the tide. He began to see the market not as a chaotic mess of random price fluctuations, but as a complex system governed by supply and demand, influenced by global events and economic indicators. He started using simple yet powerful tools like moving averages and trend lines to identify potential trading opportunities. He learned to wait patiently for price to confirm his analysis before entering a trade, avoiding the temptation to chase after every market move. He discovered that the most profitable trades were often the ones that required patience and discipline, waiting for the right setup to present itself. Section 5. Respecting the risk, the guardian of capital. One of the most profound lessons Daniel learned was the paramount importance of risk management. He realized that preserving his capital was just as important, if not more so, than making profits. He adopted a strict risk management strategy, never risking more than a small percentage of his trading account on any single trade. He set stop-loss orders on every trade, automatically exiting positions if they moved against him beyond a predetermined level. This disciplined approach to risk management gave Daniel a sense of control over his trading that he had never felt before. He was no longer at the mercy of his emotions or the whims of the market. He knew exactly how much he was willing to risk on each trade, and he was prepared to accept the outcome, win or lose. This newfound discipline allowed him to trade with a clear mind, making rational decisions based on his analysis rather than fear or greed. Section 6. The Power of Reflection: Unveiling Trading Truths. As Daniel continued his trading journey, he discovered the immense value of journaling his trades. After each trading session, he would meticulously record his entries, exits, profits, losses, and most importantly, his thought process behind each trade. He analyzed his wins and losses, identifying patterns and areas for improvement. He learned from his mistakes, recognizing the emotional biases and cognitive traps that had led to poor trading decisions in the past. This disciplined approach to self-reflection transformed Daniel's trading. He began to see his trading journey not as a series of isolated wins and losses, but as a continuous learning process. He embraced his mistakes as opportunities for growth, constantly refining his strategy and honing his skills. His trading journal became his most valuable asset, a treasure trove of insights into his trading psychology and a roadmap for continuous improvement. Section 7. From Seed to Sprout: The Gradual Bloom of Success. Slowly but surely, Daniel's hard work and dedication began to yield results. His trading became more consistent, his wins outnumbering his losses. He started to see a steady growth in his trading account, not the explosive overnight riches he once dreamt of, but a slow, sustainable increase that brought him a sense of accomplishment and validation. He had finally broken free from the cycle of emotional trading and replaced it with a disciplined and systematic approach. His success wasn't about luck or finding the holy grail trading system. It was about mastering the fundamentals, respecting risk, and consistently applying his strategy with discipline and patience. He realized that true success in Forex trading wasn't about getting rich quick, but about building a sustainable approach that could generate consistent profits over the long term. Section 8. The Unending Journey: Your Path to Forex Mastery. Daniel's journey from the abyss of loss to Forex mastery is a testament to the power of perseverance, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. It's a journey that every aspiring trader can embark on, provided they are willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed. Remember, Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks or tempted by promises of overnight riches. Embrace the learning process, develop a robust trading strategy, manage your risk like a hawk, and never stop learning. Your Forex trading journey starts now. Take the first step towards your financial freedom by exploring the educational resources available on our website. Click the link below to access a wealth of information, including articles, videos, and webinars designed to empower you on your path to Forex mastery.